20 toxic and dangerous foods for your dogs. Is it okay to give your fur baby a treat from your table? It depends what it is. You will be surprised that some common healthy foods for humans are downright dangerous and lethal for your dog. Let's find out what are these and make sure to keep your food high enough to be out of your dog's reach and keep pantry doors closed. Number 1. Xylitol Artificial Sweeteners. Artificial sweeteners found in candies, gum, toothpaste, drinks, and sweet treats are extremely toxic to dogs. When ingested by dogs, they can have hypoglycemia, which can lead to seizures, liver failure, blood clotting disorder, or death. Number 2. Grapes and raisins. Grapes and raisins are extremely toxic to dogs. Even small amounts can cause fatal kidney failure, often signaled by your dog stopping to urinate. Other symptoms include foul breath, loss of appetite, vomiting, and diarrhea. Number 3. Chocolates. Chocolates are highly toxic to dogs. It contains theobromine, a stimulant which can interrupt your dog's metabolic processes. Dark chocolates and baking chocolate are high in theobromine, making it even more dangerous for dogs. Depending on the amount of chocolates they consumed, a dog might suffer upset stomach, heart problems, seizure, or even death. Number 4. Alcohol and yeast dough. Keep away alcoholic beverages and food products or industrial products like paint, perfume, varnish, and various cleaning products containing alcohol. Alcohol can cause vomiting, diarrhea, decreased coordination, central nervous system depression, difficulty breathing, tremors, abnormal blood acidity, coma, and death. Yeast dough. The raw dough contains yeast. As the yeast cells ferment, they produce alcohol, which causes the dog's blood alcohol level to rise and can ultimately cause alcohol poisoning and death. Number 5. Human medicines and vitamins. If your dog is sick, never give your own medicine or vitamins to your pet unless your vet tells you to do so. Keep your medicines out of your dog's reach. Pain relievers and cold medicine have ingredients such as acetaminophen or ibuprofen, which can be deadly for your dog. 6. Avocado. Avocado contains a toxin substance called persin. It is a natural antifungal compound which can cause serious health problems to your dog. Completely avoid the avocado tree. The leaves and stem have the highest concentration of persin. It can cause vomiting, diarrhea, respiratory distress, congestion, fluid accumulation around the heart, and even death. Number 7. Eggs. Be careful not to spill raw eggs in your kitchen. It can cause food poisoning from bacteria like Salmonella or E. coli. Also, your dog can have biotin deficiency from eating raw egg white, which could result in skin problems and hair loss. Number 8. Raw meat and fish. Just like raw eggs, raw meat and fish can carry bacteria that causes food poisoning. Make sure to fully cook the fish because some fish, such as salmon, trout, shad, or sturgeon, can also have a parasite that causes fish disease or salmon poisoning disease. The first signs of fish poisoning are vomiting, fever, big lymph nodes, which could possibly lead to death. Number 9. Coffee, tea, and other caffeine. Don't let your dog lick those spilled cocoa, chocolate, colas, and energy drinks. These contain caffeine that can cause vomiting, stomach pain, changes in the nervous system, increased heart rate, and large ingestion can be fatal. Number 10. Onions and garlic. Onion and garlic contains thiosulfate, which can kill the red blood cells causing anemia. Symptoms of anemia include rapid breathing, weakness, vomiting, diarrhea, loss of appetite, dehydration, and dark colored urine. Number 11. Salt. Avoid sharing salty snacks like chips or pretzels with your dog. Eating too much salt will make them drink too much water. That will put pressure on organs. Symptoms of too much salt include vomiting, diarrhea, depression, tremors, high temperature, and seizures. It may even cause death. 12. Macadamia nuts. Never give your dog macadamia nuts, especially that with chocolate in them can be fatal. Just 6 raw or roasted macadamia nuts can make a dog sick. Look for macadamia nut poisoning symptoms like tremors, vomiting, high temperature, depression, and weakness in their back legs. 13. Milk and dairy products. Milk and milk-based products are generally safe for dogs, but can sometimes cause diarrhea and other digestive problems. Some dogs may be allergic to it and can cause them to itch. 14. Cat food. Dogs who accidentally and occasionally eat cat food will be fine. However, cat food contains much higher doses of protein and fats, which could cause obesity and pancreatitis in dogs. 15. Cooked bones. Never give your dog cooked bones. Bones become brittle after cooking and break easily into sharp shards, which become a choking hazard and can damage the digestive tract and lead to deadly internal bleeding. It is good to give raw meaty bones to your dogs once in a while. It helps to keep teeth and gums healthy, provides added nutrition, and helps clean your dog's digestive tract. 16. Citrus fruits. The large amounts of citric acid from lemons, limes, and oranges are harmful to dogs. The leaves, stems, and rinds and seeds of most citrus fruits contain toxic compounds. It could cause stomach upset, diarrhea, and vomiting. 17. Apricots and peaches, almonds, and cherries. Apricots, peaches, cherries, and wild almonds can be a choking hazards, and they all contain high toxic cyanide in their seeds or pits. Symptoms of cyanide poisoning include shortness of breath, oddly red lips, and it may lead to death. 18. Baby food. Check first baby food label before giving it to your dog. Avoid those that contain grapes, onion, and garlic powder, which are extremely toxic to dogs. It is safe to give a pure single-sourced fruit and vegetables. 19. Seasonings. Seasonings and spices such as garlic, onion, salt, cumin powder, nutmeg, cocoa powder, etc. contain a compound called thiosulfate, which damage the red blood cells and cause anemia in dog. Seasonings are toxic to your dog and could put your life at risk when consumed in large amounts. Watch out for these symptoms such as pale gums, weakness, sneezing, rapid heart rate. 20. Corn. Corn is perfectly safe for your dogs when given in moderation. However, corn grains are hard to digest and also a choking hazard. It also has high sugar content, which can cause obesity and toxic to diabetic dogs. It can cause intestinal blockage, diarrhea, vomiting, can even cause death, especially to heavily allergic reactions. Remember that not all human foods are also safe to feed your dogs. The 20 foods mentioned on this list can be very harmful to dogs. To avoid food poisoning in dogs is to feed them only dog food and keep human foods out of their reach. If your dog has eaten something it should not have, contact your vet or call the pet poison hotline immediately. Thank you for watching Hungry for Hugs. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell button for more video updates.